it seems that on the bottom line front, it is ahead. On the NII front, Harsh, we don't have the exact numbers, but when I was scanning the wires, it seems that the NII may be slightly lower than what the poll estimates were. Is it? Do we have any other details?
No, we don't actually, Neeraj, and I'm just trying to pull that document out.
The net NPA is flat, but not that it matters too much, but the gross NPA is marginally lower.
But the PAT is held up, Neeraj, and that's what's really impressed me. And while, my page is still loading, so the provisions number has come in around the 911 crore mark, which is severely low, frankly, and that's what really stands out. Maybe some reversals, some write-backs have happened this quarter, it seems, and that has helped the net profit number by quite a bit. The operating profit is 23,550 odd crore, which is of course lower than what we were penciling in.
But it's correcting, Harsh. The stock is just correcting a little bit.
Yes.
I wonder why.
So yes.
The wires, I mean, could it have to do something with operational numbers?
Yeah, it ought to. And I'm just trying to pull out and get perspective. So the other income number has fallen off a cliff when you're looking at it QOQ. And when you're looking at the other income, it's coming at 11,000 crore versus the 15,000 crore number same time last quarter, which is September quarter, Q2. And that is impacting your operating profitability. Your operating profit sits at 23,550 versus 29,290. But nonetheless, they've been able to hold up on their ROA in a decentish fashion. 1.04% is that ROA number. And that's how it's currently looking. I'll just quickly also look at growth, Neeraj. The deposit number with regard to growth also looks decentish at 52.82 lakh crore. Just going to quickly try and zoom in on what that number would look like.
But initially, just from the looks of it, it is settling slightly lower, and maybe we wait for some other details to come out while Harsh digs out those numbers. Rajesh Palvia, I'm now forced to ask you, right? Slippages, the Q3 slippage ratio, right, is at 0.39% if I'm not wrong, and slippages have come in at 3,823 crores. So, well, it doesn't look too bad. Rajesh, now can you opine on SBI?
Neeraj, broadly, stock was consolidating in range of 740, 780 band since last couple of days. Now there is a volatility because of numbers. So stock is almost negotiating with its 20-day moving average. Stock was trading above 20-day moving average, but the early reaction post number is now back to the 20-day moving average. Put-based concentration is based at around 750 strike. So I think 750 should act as a immediate support area. Almost we are trading near to those level. So if it slips below to 750 mark, then some unwinding trade may take place, and then possibly stock may go down to the next support area of 735. But looking at the overall structure, I believe that selling would absorb at these level only, and if at all the stock crosses above 765 to 770 zone, maybe we may witness some short covering action, because the call concentration is immediate call concentration. The major is placed at 770. So any move above 770 may trigger short covering, and then stock may extend its gain towards 790 to 800 zone also. So those who are risk-taking traders can initiate long position with very small stop loss of 745.